solvable for y. So here, if the differential equation f of x comma y comma p equals to 0, this we are considering as equation 1, is solvable for y, then write y equals to f of x comma p, which we are considering as equation 2, and differentiate equation 2 with respect to x, and we are differentiating this equation 2 with respect to x. We get p equals to dy by dx, which is equals to f dash of x comma p. Now, which is the equation in two variables? This is the equation in two variables. What are those two variables? X and p. Now solve this equation by previous method. We have to solve this equation by previous method. That is equation solvable for p. And we get solution as pi of x comma p comma c, which is equals to 0. This we are considering as equation 3. Then eliminate p. Then what we have to do? We have to eliminate p. Then eliminate p from equations 1 and 3. We are eliminating p from equations 1 and 3. Then the relation between x, y and c is the required solution of the given equation. So this x, y, c is the required solution of the given equation. When the elimination of p between these equations is not possible. If elimination of p is not possible between these equations, then equations 1 and 3 together is the required solution. If the elimination is not possible, means what we have to do? These equations 1 and 3 together will be the required solution. Let us solve a problem based on equation solvable for y. Let us solve a problem based on equation solvable for y. So what is given here? Solve y equals to 2xp plus x square into p power 4. Coming to solution, y equals to what is given here? Y equals to 2xp plus x square into p power 4. This we have to consider as equation 1. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. We are differentiating this equation 1 with respect to x. Then we get dy by dx equals to, here we are applying uv formula. So what is uv formula? uv dx equals to u dash v plus uv dash. So now we are taking here 2, as 2 is a constant, we have to take 2 outside. Now xp we have to apply uv formula. So now 2 we are taking outside, as it is constant, 2 into differentiation of x 1. What is u dash? U means here x. Differentiation of x 1. 1 into what is v? P. 1 into p. What we will get? P. Plus, so what is u here? X. X. What is p? What is v here? P. So differentiation of p means dp by dx. With respect to x we are taking. So x into dp by dx plus differentiation of x square. Differentiation of x square means what we will get here? What is the formula for differentiation of x square? 2x into u dash is 2x. Now what is v here? P power 4. So 2x into v power 4 plus u here x square into v dash. V dash means here what is v? P power 4. So with respect to x we are doing. So differentiation of p power 4. 4p cube dp by dx. That implies dy by dx. Since p equals to dy by dx. So in the place of dy by dx we are substituting here p. That implies p equals to, now we have to multiply with 2. 2p plus 2x dp by dx plus 2x p power 4 plus 4x square p cube dp by dx. That implies, now we have to take this 2p this side. So minus 2p, that implies p, this 2p we are taking this side, plus 2p becomes minus 2p. P minus 2p minus, now we are taking this 2x p power 4 this side. So minus 2x p power 4 equals to, now what is remaining here? 2x dp by dx plus 4x square plus 4x square p cube dp by dx implies p minus 2p minus p. What is remaining here? Minus 2x p power 4, that equals to, here we are taking 2x dp by dx common. So 2x dp by dx into 1 plus 2x into p cube. Here we are taking 2x dp by dx common. So into 1 plus 2 2s are 4. So 2x p cube. That implies, now here we are taking p common. So minus p common. P into 1 minus 2x p cube. Here minus into minus plus. We are taking here p common. So p into 1 minus into minus plus 2x p cube, which is equals to 2x dp by dx into 1 plus x p cube. Now this 1 plus 2x p cube, this 1 plus 2x p cube will be cancelled. That implies, what is remaining here? Minus p equals to 2x dp by dx. That implies minus p into this dx we are taking this side. Minus p into dx equals to 2x dp. That implies minus dx equals to this x we are taking this side. So multiplication x becomes division. So minus dx by x. So 2 into dp. Now this p we are taking this side. So dp by p. Now integrating on both sides. That implies minus 1 integral 1 by x dx equals to 2 constant integral 1 by p dp. So integration of integral 1 by x dx, what is the formula? Minus log x equals to 2 into integral 1 by p, again 2 into log p plus log c. So minus log x equals to 2 log p plus log c. That implies, now we are taking this 2 log p plus log c equals to, this we are taking this side, minus log x. 2 log p plus log c minus log x. That implies 2 log p equals to minus log x. Now this log c comes here. So minus log c. That implies 2 log p equals to minus log x, minus into minus plus log c. Implies 2 log p equals to, now we have to take this log c plus log c here, this minus log x this side, plus log c minus log x. That implies log p equals to, so this is in the form of, since log a minus log b equals to log a by b. So this is in the form of log a minus log b. So log a minus log b, what is the formula here? Log a minus log b equals to log a by b. So log c by x implies log, now this 2 goes this side. So log p, since m into log x equals to log x power x. Here 2 log p means log p square equals to log c by x as it is. Now this log will be cancelled. Both logs will be cancelled. That implies, so what is remaining here? P square equals to c by x. This we have to consider as equation 2. Now we are eliminating p from equations 1 and 2. So we get, what is equation 1 here? Y equals to 2xp plus x square p power 4. That implies now we have to take y, this x square into p power 4 this side. So plus becomes minus, y minus x square p power 4 equals to what is remaining here? 2xp. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Because we have to substitute this p square equals to c by x in this equation. So what we have to do? For this we have to square on both sides. So that implies y minus x square p power 4 whole square equals to 2xp whole square. Implies y minus x square means x square into what is there here? P power 4. So we are taking here p square value. What is p square value? C by x. Since here p power 4 is there, p square value c by x. One more square is remaining, c by x whole square. Here y minus x square into c by x whole square, total whole square equals to 2 2s are 4. Square is there, x square p square implies y minus both x squares are cancelled. So what is remaining here? C square. Y minus c square whole square equals to 4 into x square. What is p square here? C by x. Now this square, this x will be cancelled. So what is remaining? Y minus c square whole square equals to 4cx. This is the solution.